welcome back. Today we are going to learn chapter 2 along the yellow brick road. Before that, I would like to ask a question. Have you ever watched movies or read any storybooks about fantasy world? Yes, there are so many such stories we have read and watched in movies also. Few of them are Aladdin, Alice in Wonderland, Caroline, Princess Unicorn, and also few movies like Narnia and Harry Potter. These are so famous and interesting. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz is one of such storybook. It is about a girl adventure in a magical world with along the yellow brick road. It is part 1. Here we will discuss mainly about the characters, source and background of the story. We will also discuss some difficult words with their meaning. Now let's see the picture on the screen. What is this, children? A flying dragon. Next, a beautiful flying fairy. She is having feather. See a flying carpet? A monk flying on the carpet. Next is unicorn. And the next is genie. Have you heard about genie? I am very sure you all know about genie. See here, he is coming out of the magical lamp. He fulfills the wishes who owns the lamp like Aladdin. So these all are magical characters and objects which do not exist in real life. Isn't it, children? These are objects and characters of fantasy worlds. Just an imaginary world. This chapter is also about a magical land with so many strange characters. This piece is taken from the book The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum. He is an American author known for his children's book. It is a story about a young girl called Dorothy who is carried away by a storm to the magical land of Oz. Some difficult words from the chapter. Please take out your notebook and write. Spring, a pool created by fresh running water. Thoughtfully, thinking carefully and quietly. Troublesome, something that causes worry. Groan, a long deep sound made because of pain. Next, discovered, found something suddenly or by chance. Stir means move. Was moved by. Felt pity for. Rusted means damaged by a reddish brown substance formed by the effect of air or water on metal. Grateful, being thankful for someone's help. So the main character in this story is Dorothy. She is a young spiritful girl who loves adventure. She is caring, smart and always ready to help others. She has been carried away by the storm to the magical land of Oz. Hi friends, I am Dorothy. I have been carried away by a storm to the magical land of Oz. I am going to Emerald City. We will have many adventures down the yellow brick road. Scarecrow. Farmers use scarecrow in their farm to scare those birds which can damage in the crops. In short, it is a type of doll which is put in a farm so that the animals and birds do not harm their crops. The second character in the story is Scarecrow. This Scarecrow wanted to be as brainy as human. Hi, I am Scarecrow. I am a friend to many farmers. I am used to discourage birds from damaging the crops. I am also a friend of Dorothy. I wish I could have brain like human. Tin Man. The next character in the story is Tin Man. He is made up of tin. As you were seeing the picture, it is fully made up of tin. He was helped by Dorothy and Scarecrow. He wished to have heart like human. Hi, I am Tin Man. My body is made of tin. I wish I could have heart like human.